Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nothing Phone 1 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar. Open calendar application in it. Tap on the day when you want to add your event, maybe 27 of July, and there this plus icon event, and first step you can add title of your event. There we can add this event to your group on Gmail. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. We can add location of that if we need it. Notification maybe 2 days before, and we can add more than one. There we can change color of our notification in calendar about this event, description and attachment. You mustn't add everything, but you can add what you need. And after that we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!